Hi, I'm Paige. I'm here with Tom Fish of Jones Lang LaSalle. We're talking about CMBS. What will the market hold for 2012, Tom?
We think the market this year is going to be strong. We think it's going to be stronger than last year. We went into last year thinking it was going to be strong, and it ended up tailing off a little bit because of the European debt crisis. I think that's subsided this year. I think there's a lot of money that's chasing yield, and we're very optimistic that volumes will be hopefully double what they were last year on the CMBS side.
Perfect. So let's talk about financing requirements. Jones Lang LaSalle did a survey, 186 borrowers, and asked them, what are your greatest needs for financing? 51% of them said it is for refinancing. 42% said it is for acquisition. So are you seeing more buy-side transactions as people look to lenders for acquisition financing?
We're certainly going to see a lot of refinancing that continues because of the $300 or so billion that's still trapped in the system. But we're also seeing sales volume pick up. We think that we could get close to 2004, 2005 levels this year. And if that's the case, it's going to create a lot of acquisition financing demand. So I don't know if those percentages will hold up. I think the overall volume is going to increase, and I think it's going to come from both sides.
That's good news for the market. Let's also talk about a unique perspective, because a lot of the borrowers we surveyed also said 24% are looking for development financing. Are we going to see development in a big way in year 2012?
We're already seeing development in a big way in 2012. It is concentrated primarily on the multifamily sector. So we're deep into that. Less so on retail, less so on office, although we have, as a firm, have financed several to-be-built office deals, mostly with a lot of pre-leasing. I do think we're going to continue to see that as the supply-demand imbalance shrinks in the office and the retail sector, but it's going to be, again, primarily multifamily that drives any development financing.
Okay, great. Well, Tom, thank you so much for sharing your insights. Appreciate having you.
You bet. Thank you.